Avatars are becoming an important part of modern content creation. With tools like HeyGen, you can design your own or generate completely new avatars with ease. Even on the free plan, which allows you to create up to 3 avatars. In this video, I'll walk you through the process using HeyGen, one of the best platforms available today. After registering for free, go to Assets, Avatar, Design with AI. From there, you can set the name, age, gender, ethnicity, orientation, and pose for your avatar. If you're unsure how to describe your avatar, HeyGen also provides sample descriptions. Personally, I use ChatGPT to generate 3 variations, and I'll be testing them all here. Once your details are filled in, simply click Generate Preview. You'll receive 4 preview options to choose from, and you can then select the one you like best. Later, you can customize backgrounds, voices, and styles depending on your video needs. In my case, I experimented with 3 styles: vintage, Pixar, and realistic, and I absolutely loved the results. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with more videos and tutorials.